Welcome, here I've got REALME C21Y and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is burst mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now when we tap on the shutter button a little bit longer, we should take the burst shot, so let's try to use this. And as you can see, now we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. The maximum number at once is 20, and this is how burst shot works here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.